darling. Happy Monday to you. Yes, happy Monday to you. I hope you had a fabulous weekend. I had a fast and furious weekend. Yes, I did. Getting this beautiful kit finished up for you. I'm so excited about it. I truly am. But I have a freebie for you today. It's a little one page out of this amazing 29-page kit. And we're gonna do the freebie today, but I'm gonna show you my kit, okay? And yes, I am plugging my kits. I'm sorry, but I just have to, okay? But anyway, I just don't feel like my shop has enough kits in it, and I have lots going on, but I just need to get them out there. So anyway, this is called dun dun dun. Nurture Your Inner Child Digital Kit. Yes, isn't that fabulous? Look how beautiful she is. Yes. Okay, first of all, before I show you the kit, no, I'll show you the kit first. I'm going to show you the kit. It's 29 pages. It is full of 17 pages of ephemera. I think there's over 8 projects in there. 17 pages. No, there's probably more than that. We can count them. Like this is one. This is considered one. It's like a side tuck with a little journaling card that goes inside. I have plenty of labels for you that have to do with nurturing your inner child. This one says, be kind to who you once were. Play is not a luxury. It's healing. Choose wonder over worry. And whispers from your younger self matter. Love this kit. Okay, so anyway, it's beautiful. It's got beiges and pinks, and you're going to see a little bit different tone to it. Snow and winter. Sweet little girl playing with some bubbles with some snow on them. Cute. Okay, so I'm going to show you the 17 pages of ephemera, and then I'll show you the 12 pages of backgrounds. Okay, there's 1, 2. It's a little shoe. Oh! This one says, let yourself play. Hold hands with your younger self. Wonder is still yours. Be gentle with the parts that learn to protect you. Yes, this speaks truly to my heart. I love this. Oh, look at that. Sweet little girl. Love it. She's just adorable. Just adorable. And then this is a sweet little policy, not a policy, but a library card. And these say, nurture your inner child and softness is strength. And then I have some horses incorporated in this. Just some beautiful landscape backgrounds too. You'll see. Just very pretty. Then we have some coin envelopes with horses, a barn, a little, it's just a bench, but I love that. It's one of my favorite backgrounds. Okay, another sweet one. Then I have some cottage or some farm. I say farm, but it's not really, but. And then I have this. Oh, isn't she beautiful? Oh, I love that with the horse. Yes, very pretty. And then some more. She has a little snowball and then a teddy bear. And then this background is actually what I wrote out what nurturing means. Like what it means to nurture our inner child. And so you'll have that too as a little background. But so there's that. And then I just have some folding little journaling cards. Or they're really like ATC cards, but they're flips. And then I have these pretty girls in there. Little bit different. This is our host. She is the star of this kit, and then these are other sweet little girls that I just absolutely love her eyes. I mean, if you just look like this one, I did let's see, where did I put it? I don't think I brought it in, but I made a library card with her in it, and it's her eyes, when you blow it up, oh my gosh, there's something, you just can see her soul. Actually all of them, especially this one. But anyway, she's the star of the show, as you see. Okay, there's this. This is a policy closure. This is a flip out with a bunch of all goodies in it. There she is on the swing in different levels of her sweet childhood. Fun, fun, fun. On a sleigh. And then I just have some pockets. This one says giggle. I have a belly band, some pockets, a couple of big, a couple of small, and then I just have some tags. So I have some tags and some more tags to kind of go in those pockets. And then these are our pretty backgrounds. So I have 4 backgrounds that have like picturesque pictures. So this one is like a slide. And then this is that beautiful bench with the pretty trees in the background laden with snow. Oh, just so pretty. But I love the pink hue. You know, a lot of times we do blue for winter, but I love the pink. And then there's like a sleigh full of snow. And then, of course, there's the large house with snow on it. And then these are 4 landscape backgrounds. So we have this one. So for you to do journaling, make your journal pages out of. I got my sidekick over here. Yeah, my littles. Watching him. Isn't that pretty? Love it. Love it, love it, love it. These are some of my favorites. Look at that. Gorgeous. And then this one. They're the same, but different. Very, very pretty. And then we also have 4 background pages. So let me show you those real quick. So we have this one. And then we have this one. They look the same, but they're not. They're different. There's a little cluster of color on that side. And then we have a lighter one with kind of like a watercolor melding in. And then this is my favorite. It's very textured. It's really, really cool with just some spots of like coffee dyed stains or whatever. Okay, so that is that. So that is the kit. That is a 29-page kit. It's on my Ko-fi already. I already have it out. Put it out last night. So go snag you a copy of this and print it out, and we're going to start working. But today, I'm giving you a freebie, and it is this one. So this is a little freebie. It's going to be a cylinder pocket. So we're going to make it real quick, and then this is a card that goes inside. And then I have a couple of labels that say, your lighter life begins here. Permission to breathe, granted. Unclenched, unwind, unbecome the pressure. Choose joy without apology. And then I have like some little buttons. I thought we could make some, just some little dangles or whatever. And then I back the back with one of the backs with the kit. And then this is the one that you receive with the freebie. So this is a sweet little one, and it is not included. Well, I think I did include this one with the kit itself. No, actually I didn't. You'll have to get the freebie if you want it in addition to the kit. I was trying to keep the background pages neutral. I mean, even. I'm weird about that, like 444, which makes 12. I don't know. I'm just weird about that. So anyway, let me cut this out. I'm going to be right back, and then we're going to do this little project together and have some fun. Be right back. Okay, got it all cut out. I have not inked it yet, but I thought, you know what, this video is going to be like 10 minutes long if I don't, come back and visit with you for a minute. And of course, my little over here, he's got a clean diaper. He has a full belly, so he should be good to go. He's just over here playing next to me on my desk. Yes. Oh, yes, did you hear him? Well, say hello to all my friends. Say hello to all my friends, Pupsy. Yeah. So, anyway, I spent this weekend just finishing this kit up, and I absolutely love these colors. Now, yes, we have a lot of projects going on, and I know that I gave you those freebies for winter. Already. We have a grungy Christmas, we had a grungy winter, and I am going to put some more out for those particular projects. Just some, some background pages and some fun little things to go along with it. so that you're not left with just, you know, 5 projects and nothing else to go with it, right? So I'm going to go ahead and ink a little bit of the inside just because I feel like you're probably going to see some of it, and especially like right on this edge right here. So this is, and I wanted to show you what I made because I was laying in bed and I was like, I was thinking about the grungy winter. I'm just going to get off sidetracked here. So before I get sidetracked, let me ink this one up. Anyway, I was laying in bed and I was like, I had this vision in my head about something that I wanted to make. And I was like, I know it's going to work. Well, I made one for my tall skinny journal, and then I realized that, you know, you guys for Christmas, for the grungy winter, you're not doing a tall skinny journal. So I went back and redesigned it, and then this is what it is. But it's not, I'm calling it a cylinder pocket with a journaling card, and I just think those papers look so good. And it has lines so that you can write on it. And these labels, there's 4 that come with this on this particular page of the journal, over the kit, sorry. And so they're not to be used on, you know, I mean, obviously it's a small little thing, so you're not going to use all 4. But this is the page that I picked to give as a freebie because I just think it's just so pretty. And anyway, Anyway, so I was laying in bed and I was thinking about, you know, something that this particular design. And so anyway, it's a cylinder pocket and you're going to adhere it. I gave like a little small 1/4 inch gusset on the right. So it'll, you know, glue down. So let's go ahead and do that. I mean, this is going to be a really quick little project. So if I can get the glue where it's supposed to go. Hey, Pupsy, what you doing, honey? And then we're just going to put that down. And then we're going to just glue the bottom. And I did it so that it would be like a little pocket. What's the matter? And then you could put some more journaling cards in there if you wanted to, which we're going to have plenty in this kit. And so it just goes like this. And then it has that sweet little thing in there. Now we could, you know, I am going to put, let's make some little dangles to go with this. What's the matter? What's the matter, baby? Oh no. Oh no. But I wanted to show you something real quick. He's been fine all sitting here with me. Yeah. Okay. So let me show you where I got this idea. And I think this is one of the freebies I'm going to give you. And I can't show it to you and then not give it to you, right? So I was thinking about the winter, grungy winter. But anyway, look how cute this is. And this is what it does. This is a cylinder pocket like we just made. But it's going to flip out. And then this opens up for writing space. And then you can do it on both sides. I put some little, I just decorated it a little bit for myself. And then we have a hidden paper clip. So you're just going to put it back on, push it in like that, and that's how it'll sit. And then, of course, we'll have a tall, skinny tag that goes in it. But look how cool that is. It's just going to go like this and then flip out, and then it'll go back in and connect in that little paper clip. Is that not awesome or what? So anyway, we're going to have this as a freebie, so stay tuned for that. And so that will be, you know, that'll be coming soon. So, but anyway, that's going to go with our grungy little Christmas. So, anywho, that is where we are today. That is pretty much it. I know it's a quick one and a fast one. And, you know, hey, why are you knocking your stuff over? You're just 2 months. You're not supposed to be doing that. Anyway, so that is it. You guys, I hopefully just bear with me because I've got him here. And I just didn't have time this weekend to make a video. So I wanted to do it real quick and just give you a freebie because I'm introducing my new kit, Nurture Your Inner Child. So thanks for coming. Thanks for hanging out. I will see you on Thursday for Scraps and Wisdom Thursday. Actually, it's Scraps and Thoughts Thursday, but wisdom, thoughts, whatever. Whatever. They're all the same. But anyway, that's what we have. You know what we need to do is we need to put like a little word here. I like this. Your lighter life begins here. How about that one? That looks good. That looks good. Look, I was about to leave, and it's just like, no, we got to finish this. And then my dog, Mr. Bubba, is very anxious about the baby. So I don't know if you can hear him or not, but he's just over here like, I don't know what it is, why he's, ooh, you know what I did? I just coffee, I know. I did some, coffee dyed some gauze this weekend, and that would be fun to put on here. What's the matter? What's the matter? So we'll put that there. I'm going to just scrunch up some good old gauze here. And then that way it's coming out. And then we'll put this on top. How pretty is that? So that is your freebie. Go to my Ko-fi shop. It's in the description. And grab your little freebie. And then if you're, go check out the kit. It is beautiful. And that's what we're going to be working on is this one. So hopefully you'll work along with me. You guys are amazing. Thanks for popping in. Thanks for hanging out with me. And I'll see you Thursday. Okay? But remember, you only know what you know till you know something different. Bye-bye.